You're just sitting there, relaxing, maybe washing dishes, maybe lying in bed, when it hits you. Out of nowhere, bam! A memory. You said something embarrassing to a crush 5 years ago. You trip over nothing. You cringe so hard. But wait, why does this happen? Why does your brain randomly drag up old embarrassing memories when you were perfectly fine a second ago? Here's the thing. Your brain has a default mode. When you're not focused on any task, it doesn't just go quiet, it stays busy. Scientists call it the default mode network, a set of brain regions that light up when you daydream, rest, or let your mind wander. Think of it like your brain doing laundry. When you're idle, it goes through old memories, sorting, reviewing, filing them away. And one big thing the default mode network loves to do, think about you, your past, your future, your mistakes. It's obsessed with your story. Embarrassing memories stick because they are emotionally charged. Your brain tags strong emotions as important. Remember this. Your amygdala, the emotional center of your brain, fires up when something feels threatening. An embarrassment? That counts as a social threat. Studies show that social pain, like embarrassment or rejection, activates the same brain areas as physical pain. So your cringe literally hurts. But why does it pop up randomly? Because when your mind wanders, your default mode network starts pattern matching, and sometimes an old shame floats up. Sometimes you get stuck in a loop, replaying the cringe moment over and over. This is called rumination, and it makes the memory stronger each time. Another reason, unresolved emotions. If you never fully processed how embarrassing that moment was, your brain keeps trying to finish the job. Here's the twist. Your brain isn't torturing you on purpose. It's actually trying to help you learn from the past and avoid future awkwardness. But it gets worse when you're tired, stressed, or bored. In those states, your mind wanders more, and cringe memories love to sneak in. So how do you stop the cringe cycle? The trick is to give your brain something better to do. Redirect its attention to the present moment. But the deeper fix? Self-compassion. Remind yourself everyone has cringe memories. It means you're human, and your brain cares about how others see you. So next time a cringe memory ambushes you, smile. It means your brain is alive, active, and doing its job. You've got this.